Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. I just have lots of cleaning to do all throughout the house, and really the whole house is not like extremely messy. The only spot where it's extremely messy is here in the kitchen, but I'm calling this video an extreme clean with me because I have so much cleaning to do today. It's probably going to take me most of the day. Not only do I have a very messy kitchen, I also have several loads of laundry I have to do. This kitchen floor needs swept and mopped so bad. The carpets need vacuumed, the bedrooms need cleaned, sheets need washed. There's just a ton of cleaning to do today, so I hope that this video can give you some cleaning inspiration and motivation. And this is a bit of a longer cleaning video, a little over 15 minutes, just so that you guys can clean along with me. And also, if you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe. Just click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time that I upload a new video. So I always like to spray an all-purpose cleaner on the countertops before I wipe them down, and today I'm going to be using this super cute glass spray bottle from Grove Collaborative, and I'm also going to be using one of their cleaning concentrates. They come in a 3-pack, and I'm going to be using the all-purpose cleaner one, so you just pour that into the spray bottle, fill it the rest of the way up with water, give it a shake, and you're all ready to go. And right now Grove Collaborative has an amazing deal going on. You can get all of this stuff for free that you see right here. First off, you will get this super cute Grove glass spray bottle, and you can choose any color of silicone sleeve that you want for the bottom, but I chose this white one with these little like eucalyptus leaves on it. It's so cute. I love it. And then you will also get the Grove cleaning concentrates, the 3-pack. So the 3 concentrates that are in there is the all-purpose cleaner, the tub and tile cleaner, and the glass cleaner. Next, you will get the new white matte Grove cleaning caddy. It's so pretty and it's perfect to carry around all of your cleaning supplies. And then you will get the Grove Walnut scrubber sponges. Lastly, of course, you will get free shipping and a VIP trial. If you want to get all of these amazing items for free, then just click my link down below. You just have to make a minimum of a $20 purchase to get all of these items for free, but all of these items are worth so much more than $20, so it's an amazing deal. Definitely go and take advantage of it while it's still going on. So once I finally had the kitchen cleaned up, I moved on to making my bed, and then I got the robotic vacuum started in my bedroom. And I always like to turn on the robotic vacuum in my bedroom because it fits exactly underneath my bed, and my vacuum doesn't fit under my bed. So it's nice to just turn on this robotic vacuum, and he can vacuum not only the carpet, but under my bed as well. And then I moved on to cleaning my bathroom. I'm using that all-purpose cleaner again in that glass spray bottle. Sprayed that onto the countertops, and then I wiped them down with these cloths that are also from Grove Collaborative. I recently got these Method all-purpose wipes from Grove Collaborative, and I've been loving them so far. They're nice to wipe down the toilet, and also if your sink just needs a quick wipe down, you can just grab one of these and wipe it down quickly. Now I am finally getting the laundry started. I kept putting it off because laundry is my least favorite thing. I'm using the Method laundry detergent in the mango scent. This smells amazing. And then I'm also using 7th generation fabric softener. Both of these items are also from the Grove Collaborative website. Then I moved on to cleaning the hall bathroom. This countertop just needed a quick wipe down, and then I also needed to clean the toilet. After that, I picked up the living room areas, and then I wiped down the desk and also the boys' little table over here with that all-purpose cleaner that I had been using in the kitchen here in the glass spray bottle. And I also found out while I was wiping down the boys' little black desk, not this desk, but Owen had drawn all over their little black desk that they color on. He took one of the color pencils and he just like drew all over it, as you can see here. And when I sprayed this all-purpose cleaner on this little table, I found out that it actually took the crayon and also the colored pencil off of the table, which I was shocked to find that out, and here I just discovered it. So I sprayed on a ton more and I really started scrubbing and it all came off. I like to use wool dryer balls in the dryer instead of dryer sheets, and then I like to drop a few drops of essential oil on them to help the clothes smell good, and you can get the essential oil and the wool dryer balls from the Grove Collaborative website. And yes, I still don't have a spray mop for my floor, but I did just order one today and I ended up getting the O-Cedar mop. I don't have it yet, but when I do, I'll let you guys know how it works. A lot of you recommended that mop and it's affordable and it has really good reviews, so I decided to just give it a try. So the dishwasher that I started back at the beginning of this video was now done washing, and so I went ahead and emptied it because I already had a few dishes to put in there. I hope that you enjoyed today's cleaning video and that it gave you lots of cleaning motivation, and don't forget to subscribe and go and follow me on my Instagram if you're not already, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!